Hello traders, welcome to the weekly and daily outlook on the dollar yen. Now the dollar yen is still in this corrective pattern, and this pattern, like I told you a few weeks ago, this is a pattern that you expect this kind of pattern to break to the upside eventually, and a big move is coming. The longer the market stays in this corrective pattern, the bigger the move that is coming. And I want to point out something on the daily time frame as well. If you go over to the daily time frame, we can see that the market has actually put in a reverse head and shoulders over here. So the market could potentially start reversing from here. I mean, I was expecting the market to at least test this bottom trend line, but based on this current price action, I see the market potentially reversing from this zone. So let's look at our daily hourly time frame and see if we do have any potential trading opportunity. Well, at the moment we don't, but based on what the market has done in terms of putting this impulse leg to the upside, we can expect some kind of a corrective pattern here, and after that corrective pattern has been completed, this market will continue to rally. So you should start looking for a long opportunity, but after this corrective pattern has been completed.